Hi, I'm John with ABW Appliances, and today I'll be showing you the 48-inch true refrigerator. It has 300 grade stainless steel and a fresh food capacity of 20.1 and a freezer capacity of 8.74. You have ultra matte black finish here with the comfort hardware. On the inside, you have all stainless interiors with showcase interior lighting. You have tempered glass shelves, 4 tempered glass shelves with stainless steel trim. The top 3 are adjustable, and you can fit a full-size baking tray in each area. Below you have 3 storage drawers that fully extend out, and they soft close. And above you have your front mount dual temperature controls here. You have stainless steel wired shelving. The top 3 here are adjustable, and at the bottom you have 3 stainless steel wired drawers here that are also soft close. You also have that, that showcase lighting in the freezer as well.